When we're dealing with times, we use a built-in class called local time. Local time is, just like local date, a class in the Java date and time API that represents a time without a date or time zone. It is part of the Java time package. To use local time, you again first need to import it from the Java time package. You can then create a local time object in a few ways. Let me show you in IntelliJ. Alright, I'm going to do something similar. I'm going to create a local time. And in order to work with local time, I need to import it. I'm going to call this one LT1, and I'm going to say local time now. This is going to represent the current time of my machine. I could also create a custom local time. I could use the of method again. So I can say local time of, and then I can specify the hours. So maybe I go for 6 and perhaps 30 minutes and 12 seconds. And again, I can also parse a local time. I can use LT3 and then say local time parse. And then again, I'll use a sequence of text. And then again, I'll use a char sequence, which is a lot like a string. So there we go. All right, so let's print all these and see what they look like. I'll add a space in between again. There we go. Let me show you what we've created. And as you can see, we get the current time, which is, well, around 9:30. Then we get my custom time, which is 6:30, and we get just before midnight. Just like for the local date, there are methods built in that you can use to access and modify the time. Let's go over some of them. So first of all, we have the gets. We can get the hour, the seconds, the minutes, etc. This will just return a part of the time. It will not convert the time to minutes or something like that. We can also use the plus hours, plus minutes, and plus seconds. So for example, I can add 1 hour, but just like the local date, this one will not change. It's going to return a new local time object with the added hour to it. So I'm going to create an LT4 out of this and then show it to you. So the plus and minus methods, they don't alter the original object. And as you can see, this one has 2241. And again, there are many more methods, but you'll find them whenever you need them. This should definitely get you started. We have seen now how to create local dates and local times, but what if we needed to combine these two? It sounds a bit too obvious, but we're going to need the class local datetime to do so. Let's have a look at this one in the next video.